So today we're going to do a deep cleaning on this here DCS grill. So first couple steps, we've got a lot of rust here, so we're going to actually do a great resurfacing on these as well. But first thing is we're going to take out the cooking grates. These are the heat trays. These are coming out. The idea is that we don't want to clean off the cooking grates just to put debris on the heat plates to make more work for us later. So we take all these out. Also, we want to take the burners out, like this. Put your grates back in. The first step that I do is scraping them. Use any kind of regular heavy-duty paint scraper, one like this, and basically just scraping the sides and the top of the grates. And this just gets the initial cut into the grease down to the metal. Just kind of lays the foundation to take the rest of it off later. Okay, so again, we are brushing these things. This is the next step after we scrape them. Brush, get this creamy kind of look here. Smoothens it out, gets rid of the three-dimensional. On to the next step. Okay, here we are with the heat plates. All I did was take all these out, real easy, and now we're just scraping out all the loose debris out of the heat trace. So, okay, now we have all the interior pieces scraped down. All loose debris is inside the grill. This particular grill has bottom heat deflectors, and so that's the drip pan. So we'll just scrape these off into the drip pan. All right, next step in the process. Now we've got all the loose debris. We've scraped out all of the bottom deflectors. Use just a regular Scotch Brillo pad, industrial strength, and we're just going to give the inside of the grill a good quick scraping with the dry scrape, dry rub. All right, next step. Okay, so now we've got all the loose debris out. We've scraped it. All of the bottom pieces have been scraped. All the loose debris is out of there. Now we're gonna spray this thing down, some heavy degreaser. Let it sit. So we get all interior pieces in. Some industrial strength oven grill cleaner. Okay, while we're waiting for the interior of the grill to soak, we're going to hit the grill grates here. Now, typically, we would, this particular customer actually got a great resurfacing service. So, in addition to the grill cleaning, but we're going to take some wire wheels and some drill bits and go up and down these things to try and get rid of this rust and get it down to the metal. So I'm just going to show you what we're doing here. Just making passes up and down. Start with the broad surface one. In this grinder here, we've got a 4.5 inch wheel. And we'll go down with the smaller surface one afterwards. Just a start to it, but as you can see, you're starting to get that shininess back to it. It's resurfacing the rust off of it. So we'll continue doing that on these and on to the next step. Alright, now the next step with a different bit, a lot smaller, get into the edges. We'll go up and down, left and right, and sides. Not bad. One more pass on the top side of it, so up and down versus the angle. Not bad. Alright, so undo the rest of these. On to the next. Alright, here's the results of the resurfacing on the grates. Got a lot of rust. Okay, here we go. This is set for a while, and now we're going to scrub the interior. It's all been sitting in the grease. Use a mild degreaser just to get it wet again to get the surface going. Okay, now we've gotten all the interior parts degreased and rubbed down. Now we're going to hit the interior of the grill. And again, I'm just going to use the light, not the heavy degreaser, but the light degreaser. That's right again. And abrasion is the key here. Again, usually I would go around the whole grill like that, and then spray it down, and then wipe it down. But I'll go ahead and wipe it down so you can kind of get an idea. Give you an idea, that's a start. That's just one little corner there, so we'll continue on the rest of the grill.